Now, in the last module, we went through the process of setting up ManyChat on the ManyChat side. Now, since we've done that, I wanted to come back to Facebook and show you exactly how it's connected and what actually happened on the Facebook side so that you can see how the two are communicating to each other. And as you can see, we're on the Messenger Marketing Pro Facebook page. Well, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to Settings, this menu item here in the upper right corner. You're going to click on Settings, and of course this is going to bring you to the page settings. And as you've seen over time, this side here continues to grow with lots of new options. Well, the first thing we want to look at is this option right down here which says Messenger Platform. And what that's going to do, it's going to show us any third-party messenger platforms we've connected. And as we scroll down here, we'll see that ManyChat is now connected. It even says that Peter Parker is the one that installed it. So other admins that can see this will know actually who's installed it. And you can actually have multiple chat applications connected at the same time. You just have to be careful of what I'm referring to as crosstalk. And that can actually happen in a number of ways. In fact, I've actually dedicated a module to crosstalk so that you can understand how to avoid that. And essentially that's where two things are trying to vie for the role of responding to someone. So imagine if you have an auto-reply in ManyChat and you have an auto-reply in Chatfuel and someone is responding or types in a message and both chat bots jump in there, then it can seem kind of weird. And so that's crosstalk. So you can uninstall this from Facebook at any time. Let's say that you had a tool that you were testing and you didn't care for it. You come over here and uninstall it. Also, the role, it's not really clear yet on these here. It's automation and live chat is what these are used for. But the most important thing, and you don't have to select that, that is just more, at this time, information for you. This is telling you the permissions that this chatbot has. And most of it is message related, but it can also read your inbox, when your inbox in this case is your messenger inbox, and all things related to your profile that it needs to manage. And you're going to see why in the modules where you actually see the feature function of ManyChat. Now up here, the one that I choose for response method is that I want Facebook to know that my bot communication with my audience is both partially automated with some support by people. So I'm just saying that there is a combination of the two that's occurring. And that really is it. There's some other things that are happening down here. If you built an established bot that was useful and answered some questions, you can actually sign up for their customer matching. These are infancy features, and so over time they will probably become more functional and feature rich. But that's all you need to do or even be aware of on this side. You really didn't have to do anything. The only thing that we did is just establish that a response method is both automated in some instances as well as live by you, okay, or whoever else is managing your page. The other section up here is messaging, okay? Now, if you weren't using a third-party tool, you could come in here and do some things, use the return key to send your message. That's a personal choice when you're typing. Do you want it to actually, when you're typing, hit return, message send? Or do you want to actually not want the return key to do that and you want to click the send button yourself? Okay, usually I use this. I think I prefer it just for faster responses. But in the case of working with ManyChat, even the response assistant and all automated replies, I leave this be exactly as it is, and I don't show a message greeting, and I don't do instant replies. I leave that all as it is. And the reason you want to do that is because ManyChat is handling all of this stuff for us. And we can do this within ManyChat, as you're going to see in future modules. But that's it for this module. I just wanted to show you, now that we've connected ManyChat, what's happening on the other side of the fence behind the curtain in Facebook. What is Facebook's communication with ManyChat now? And we've seen that, again, in the Messenger Platform section, and then also showing you, if you weren't using ManyChat or a chatbot, the limited things that you could do through Facebook on its own in this section. And that's it for this module. We'll see you in the next one.